Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Want to instantly upgrade your home decor and bring in some positive calming vibes? Today I am unboxing this stunning Jetty Fresh 7 Chakra Crystal Tree, and trust me, it looks even better in real life. Let's open the packages together. The first thing you notice is how carefully it's packed, and wow, just look at this vibrant multicolor crystal beads. This set comes with 300 beads designed in a beautiful 7 chakra inspired color pattern. Each bead has a glossy finish that really catches the light. As you start arranging it, you can already see the tree taking shapes. The branches are flexible, so you can style in the way you like. Honestly, the combination of colors give it such a premium and artistic look right from the start. Once fully set up, it looks absolutely gorgeous. The gemstone reflect light beautifully, making it a real eye catcher. It fits perfectly on a living room table, study desk, or office shelf, even as a centerpiece for your home decor setup. What I personally love is the attention to detail in the design. The mix of chakra colors give it a balanced, calming aesthetics, and it really stand out without being too overwhelming. It's perfect for anyone who loves crystal decor and meaningful decorative pieces. If you want to add something beautifully and positive to your space, definitely check out Jettify 7 Chakra Crystal Tree commentary if you want to the link. And guys, if you want to purchase this product, then I'll share link is in description box, so you can check it out. Till then, bye, take care, and don't forget to like, share, subscribe.